In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Mailto link in HubSpot. A Mailto link is a simple way to let your readers start an email to you with just one click. When they tap the link, their default email app opens with the To field already filled in. This is perfect for welcome messages, support prompts, or any time you want to encourage replies. First, sign into your HubSpot account and head to the main dashboard. From there, open the marketing section and select Email. This takes you to your email tool, where you can work with existing emails or create a new one. I'll open an existing template for this walkthrough, but the process is identical if you're starting from scratch. Inside the email editor, find the piece of text you want to turn into a clickable link. Maybe a word like email, or a short call to action such as contact us. Highlight that exact text so HubSpot knows which part you want to convert into a link. Keeping the link short and clear helps readers recognize it instantly. With the text selected, click the Insert Link option in the toolbar. This tool transforms your highlighted text into a hyperlink and controls what happens when someone clicks it, whether that's opening a web page, a file, or, in our case, starting a new email. In the link settings, choose email address as the link type. This tells HubSpot to generate a Mailto link rather than a normal web URL. You'll see a field where you can enter the email address you want recipients to write to. Type in the address of the inbox that should receive these messages, ideally one that's actively monitored by your team, so no inquiries are missed. Double-check for typos. Even a small mistake can break the link. When you're ready, click Insert to apply the link to your highlighted text. You should now see that the text is styled as a hyperlink inside the editor. Next, click Preview and Test. Use the preview to check how the link appears on desktop and mobile, then test the link by clicking it. It should open your device's default mail app with the To field pre-filled. If anything looks off, return to the editor, adjust the email address or link text, and reinsert the link. Once the preview looks right and the link behaves as expected, you're all set. Save your changes, and your Mailto link is ready to use in your HubSpot email. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.